Hello, welcome back to the channel.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So when I talk about brands, I talk about brands in totality. And recently I've been looking at individual items in the brands, and I'm finding a lot of hidden gems that I did not know about. So I don't know if you guys know about Carhartt Detroit jacket. It seems like it's their main jacket, very popular. And it's like a bolo. 2,000 listed. Yeah, 2,000, 1,900 listed. And 3,300 sold. 3,300 sold. In jackets. That's crazy. And they're all for good prices. That's 175% sell-through rate. So these jackets, they're called the Detroit. I had no idea. So this is the Bolo for Carhartt, their best item, best in brand series that I'm working on right now. And we're looking at the Carhartt. So as you can see, some of these go as high as $600. And I'm guessing because it's the color. This color right here, the reds, goes into like the $600 ones. So I guess the different colors, since Carhartt's mostly probably like brown, the different colors, you know, you might get more. And of course, if they're vintage, you're definitely going to get more if you know how to identify your Carhartts. And Carhartt's fairly easy to identify because they have a little number code right here that you could find right there, right on the bottom, right there, which makes identifying Carhartt's very easy. So this went for almost $500. This one. And this is the green. I think it says so, yeah, green went for $450. And the red right here went for $450 also. I had no idea that these jackets went for this much. The Detroit. I know they have another kind. I think this is also. I think it is. I think this is the Interstellar jacket. I know I've seen a few keywords that says Detroit, Carhartt Detroit jacket Interstellar. That helps. I mean, that helps. We haven't seen a brown version yet, so maybe when a brown version comes up, you'll see the Interstellar. So this jacket goes for good money, so be on the lookout for the Detroit Carhartt Detroit jacket, made in USA. So that's what I got there for you. Next, we're gonna look at another piece of Carhartt that's also sought after. Let's look at one more. Let's look at inside of this real quick. See if this has a tag. Yeah, it's a standard tag. Standard Carhartt tag. Is that a date? No, it's not a date. Standard Carhartt. Next we have right here, the double knee. I've sold one pair of double knees in my lifetime. 5,000 listed. No, 5,000 sold. 5,500 sold. And wow, only 3,000 listed. So over 100%. 150% sell-through rate for the double knees. So I think y'all should know about that if you guys didn't know about it before, because I had no idea. I usually just talk about regular Carhartts, not any special feature Carhartt. So these are the double knees. Also be on the lookout for these. They also come in overalls, as you can see, for $54 right here. And these, some of these are beat. Like, look at this condition. Look at this Y2K. Sometimes I really believe when it's distressed and beat like that, it's almost like it adds to the value you know. So this went for $100. Don't be afraid to price your, if you know what you have, don't be afraid to price it high. You know? So this went for $100 in that condition right there. And I've seen a few that are beat. Like this one got a giant dirt stain on the bottom. They ain't bother cleaning it. And this is also used. Yeah, these are workwear. Look at this. Yeah, been worked in. Got paint. Yet, it still went for its price. Let's look at some more. This is very beat. Come on. You gotta have some balls to sell something like that. Like, I would not have sold that. I would have left this at the bins. So now with the knowledge of you knowing double knee Carhartts sell for a lot, don't be afraid to pick this up. People will leave these behind all day, every day. Look at the condition. If anything, take that from the video. That this kind of condition on the double knee jeans will still sell. There's a few more. Double knee right here. And like I said, they come in overall. You would think that the overalls would be more, but no. I guess the double knee jeans is what's in style right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna leave it at that. We're not gonna draw this out any longer. So the double knee Carhartt, and we also have the jackets, the Detroit jacket, both over 100 sell-through rate. And yeah, just be on the lookout. That's the best in brand for Carhartt. It's the Detroit and the double knee. See if there's any tags here. Yep, regular tag. Let's see if I can find something else real quick. Oh, this white one is interesting. Let me look at this white one, then I'll bounce. I've never seen this one before. This is mint. This is almost like it has never been worn. But anyways, that's that. So the Carhartt Detroit and the Carhartt double knee, Bolo's best in brand for Carhartt. All right, so please like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. I'm out.